Hi all. I just want to check in and offer you a few comments on your assignments very briefly. They were good. I want to introduce a new concept as well and let you know what to expect here in the next couple days. I will be offering in-text comments to your first two assignments, even though I've graded one of them, but I'm still going to offer comments to use to for you to use in your upcoming assignments. But you did get comments from your peers. That should be good enough for right now. As far as I'm sorry, it was also I'm under the weather. I have had a cold all weekend, pretty bad, a summer cold, which is why you're just getting a voice thread right now. I have graded all of your small assignments. I was pleased with both of the voice threads. I was very pleased to see that you're thinking critically here, that you are looking at bias in this data, that you're looking at that you're thinking critically about um, how in the second slide how students would reply versus employers and how there's an inherent bias there. I'm very pleased to see that you are paying attention to your classmates' postings and commenting on them. You're demonstrating that well, and some of you are also demonstrating that you are doing the readings by offering useful information that you've gleaned from those readings. The extended definitions have been good. Just watch a bit. There are some that are just very short comments, very short one sentence comments here. This is it's a small assignment, but still it's there you should put some time into, and we should I should be seeing more than just one sentence here in these comments. But overall, I'm pretty pleased. As far as the peer reviews go, they've been good. I would like for you to not only mark up the rubrics here. You don't have to put points. That's for me. Just put comments, but also do in-text citations. As I noted before, just watch. This is the highlighter, and this is the paintbrush. If you use the paintbrush, you're going to blot out everything that you think that you're highlighting. So just watch that. Sorry, I'm gonna be pausing here a little bit as a cough button. But yes, make sure that you're offering in text comments and offering comments here in the rubric. I'm not sure if I said this. Whenever I hit the pause button, I may be repeating myself here, but just pay attention because this is, as I set out in the email, this right here is your highlight button. This is your paintbrush. The paintbrush will blot out anything that you think that you're highlighting. So just be careful of that. It's difficult for me to read this. And I'm maybe just offering more in-text citations here. I may download a clean version to offer you comments. I haven't decided on that just yet. So the new topic that I want to introduce is BLUF formatting. BLUF stands for bottom line up front. So whenever you are composing business emails, whenever you're composing business memos, you want to try to get to your bottom line first, this inverted pyramid style of writing. It's a bit different from the writing that you've done for other classes. You want to hit your reader with your most important topic first. So you should be prioritizing your writing. You should be prioritizing your topics. What is the most important thing that I want to say? What is the most important thing that I want to say in my cover letter? What is the most important thing that I want to hit in my resume? For emails, this happens to me often. I send out, and it's probably happened to you as well. You send out an email, and the last couple lines of your email aren't getting read because they're being ignored, or you've addressed that information in the last few lines, but you're being questioned about it. It happens to me all the time. So especially in business writing, you're considering your audience, considering the genre. You want to make sure that you hit people with the most important thing first. So in your final assignments, I'm going to be looking for this. I have included both of these memos, both of these PDFs under files. We could go right here. Let's see here. Um, Announcements. I have opened up files. Bluff Pyramid and the Bluff Format are both right here. So you can go to these and read over this and start to implement this into your writing. Maybe make adjustments to your extended definitions here using Bluff formatting. Um, and I'm going to let you go over that on your own here. If you have any questions, you can get back to me. I'm going to conduct office hours on Thursday from 2 to 3. I'll send out an email about that. I didn't have anybody in the chat, but it was kind of lonely. But I'll be there in the chat from 2 to 3 this Thursday if you have any questions or want to talk to me. And like I said, we can that's a public that that's the chat is public, but we can do a private session as well through conferences. I'm gonna let you go. I'm stuffed up. I have a cold here, but just wanted to check in with everybody. It looks like everything's going very well. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye bye.